Can you move with me? A traditional rhyme illustrated by Lynn Boyer. Can you wiggle like a worm? Can you squiggle? Can you squirm? Can you flutter? Can you fly like a gentle butterfly? Can you crawl up on the ground like a beetle that is round? Can you move with me? Can you flip and can you flop? Can you give a little hop? Can you slither like a snake? Can you give a little shake? Can you dance like a bee who's buzzing around the tree? Can you move with me? Let's see you wiggle like a worm, crawl like a beetle, hop like a bunny, slither like a snake, and dance like a bee.